Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a torrent client installed. Pick QBitTorrent or Transmission and open it. Once done, set a default download folder on a drive with free space and enable incoming port or UPnP so peers can connect. Make sure the client handles magnet links by default. If not, associate magnet protocol in settings. You do this now so the magnet URI resolves automatically and metadata downloads. This prepares the client to fetch the file list and begin peer discovery immediately. You click the magnet link or paste the magnet URI into Add URL. The client begins DHT and peer discovery. Once metadata arrives, you'll see a file list. Choose only the files you want to save bandwidth. Then pick target folder and consider sequential download for media you'll play before completion. Also set upload/download limits and priorities so other apps work smoothly. Doing these middle steps ensures faster, useful data first, reduces wasted disk space, and avoids clogging your network. You wait for the client to finish downloading. Once files reach completed or start seeding, verify integrity by opening or checking checksums if available. If the download stalls, make sure the client has peers, restart it, inspect port forwarding and firewall rules, and confirm DHT and trackers show activity. Finally, stop seeding or set a ratio limit to conserve upload, move finished files to permanent folders, and empty the client's temporary cache. This sequence secures your files and keeps your network healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.